Hello, and welcome to the Trans Mountain Expansion Project Safe Operations and Emergency Management Update. My name is Randy Brake, and I'm the Project Director for the Lower Mainland Scope for the Trans Mountain Expansion Project. In this presentation, we will cover safe operations and safety and design, enhancements to existing emergency management plans, enhancements to existing marine emergency response plans, and planned enhancements to marine response oil spill capacity. At Trans Mountain Pipelines, safety is our #1 priority in all of our operations. In all of our pipelines and facilities, we take a complete project lifecycle approach to safety by considering safety in design and operations and through development of emergency response plans. We are committed to ensuring integrity of our pipelines and facilities to protect the safety of the public, the environment, and our employees. As part of the proposed Trans Mountain Expansion Project, we are incorporating results of detailed geotechnical investigations and including seismic assessments in the design of our expanded facilities to ensure safe performance in the event of an earthquake. Our Westridge Marine Terminal expansion, which is regulated under the NEB and Transport Canada, will be designed to meet all Canadian Shipping Act requirements for marine oil handling facilities. Since 1956, vessels from Westridge have been transporting petroleum products safely through the Port of Vancouver without a single spill from a tanker. In the unlikely event that a spill did occur, we have agreements in place with the Western Canadian Marine Response Corporation, or WCMRC, to respond to spills. WCMRC is certified by Transport Canada, and their mandate is to ensure they are prepared at all times to respond to and mitigate impacts when an oil spill occurs. Kinder Morgan Canada currently has a robust emergency management plan in place today to respond to any emergency event. This plan is a requirement of the NEB, and our current plan complies with those requirements. As part of the Trans Mountain Expansion Project, Kinder Morgan Canada will be enhancing this plan to take into consideration internal assessments on where the plan can be enhanced, Aboriginal engagement and incorporating feedback into the existing plan, stakeholder engagement and incorporating feedback from those affected communities, and additional modeling and field studies. The goal of the Enhanced Emergency Management Plan is to meet all applicable regulations and standards, comply with NEB conditions and requirements, meet Government of BC conditions, meet Trans Mountain's commitment to Aboriginal communities, and to meet commitments to other stakeholders and communities. The approach that Kinder Morgan Canada is taking to enhancing its marine emergency response plan is based on 3 principles. Expand capability within the existing emergency response regime capacity. Develop plans that are geographically specific and based on risk assessments. And provide benefits to communities that could potentially be impacted by a spill. Trans Mountain is committed to enhancing tug escort and other changes to ensure that oil spill probabilities do not increase from levels they are currently at, despite increased traffic. Trans Mountain is also committed to enhance oil spill response capability for the southern BC coast to bring improvement in capacity and response times, which will benefit all users of WCMRC's services, not just Trans Mountain. As a result of the proposed expansion of Trans Mountain's facilities and increased traffic from Westridge Marine Terminal, WCMRC will be undertaking enhancements of their capacity and response times based on results of risk assessments, product testing, oil spill modeling, and engagement. These enhancements include $100 million in investment of new response equipment, 100 new jobs to provide the resources to respond when needed, and 5 new response bases to be located along the shipping route with 24/7 response capability throughout the year. These enhancements will increase the response area to include the Salish Sea and Juan de Fuca Strait. These enhancements will also double the existing response capacity and result in half of the response time required to respond to a spill incident. The current mandated response capacity for WCMRC is 10,000 metric tons, with a response time of 72 hours. With the enhancements, the capacity of WCMRC will increase to 20,000 metric tons and will have a response time 2 hours or less for Vancouver Harbour and 6 hours or less for the Salish Sea, with a maximum response time of 36 hours in extreme situations. These enhancements will benefit all marine waterway users, not just Trans Mountain. Thank you for participating in this webinar presentation. We would like to hear your thoughts on this presentation, so please provide us with your feedback at www.transmountain.com/talk. We are committed to continuing to provide information as it becomes available, so please check our website and sign up for updates.